Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And how to download brother DCP-T710W printer driver and download and open any browsers to Google search box to like that. Okay, then you can see that the first support.brother.com. This is first official website, so no worry, you click on it. Different OS also there, like Mac, Linux and mobile also. So select the Windows. In the Windows 10 server 64-bit 32 bits there. So select, then click to OK. After that you can see this is a full setup with the software and software pack. So if you need the software, so you can download this one. So this is a driver only and scanner driver only for the USB. So click. So when you click to it will start, but before that you have to agree the terms, then click agree to download. So it will start downloading, you can see, and it is 50 MB. Yeah, then click the locations, then right click which is downloaded, copy this full file, then minimize everything, then right click and paste on desktop, then again right click, open. Now it will create a folder like this. Okay, GDI. Okay, so now you have to connect your printer to your desktop and laptop, which is where you try to installing. So then connect means via printer USB cable. Okay, so then click to start and then setting. Okay, then click the printer and device, then printer and scanner. Okay, click to add. So after the add it will come the manual options. Add new device. Last is installations the local method. Then next, by default take the port 1. Then next, then click to have disk and click to browse. So which is already extract and created this folder earlier. So select INF. So all three files is INF, so no worry about that, select any and try to select the first one. Okay, then open. So and then click to OK, and after that you can see this is your printer T710W printer. And then next, now this is your printer installing. Next, finish. So your printer is installed, and after that your printer and system both restart, and then please check. Thank you.